People don't understand that musicians don't make any money doing music. Again, producers, singers, songwriters, we don't make any money doing music. It's only until we can take that music, put it into a tangible form or a digital form, into a product, and sell and exploit that product is where we get paid. So when people ask people like myself, why my price is so high, why you charge so much for beats, hooks, songwriting, mixing, it's because my time has to be compensated. Look, everything that I use, all of these resources have to be paid for. When I buy equipment, that has to be recouped. This electricity cost has to be recouped. The time cost that it goes in for me to create these products have to be recouped. It's a business like anything else. So if you're a musician, singer, songwriter, producer, artist, take your time very seriously. Take your resources very seriously, because it's not until we create this music into actual products and advertise and promote and market those products is where we make our money back and then a profit. So it's your boy Federo. I hope you learned something.